All right, a little project. I just put the line of black walnut trees all the way down on either side of the driveway. We're lining the driveway with the black walnuts, if you can see all those T-posts. But right here, there's a ditch. There's like a hole here and then a ditch that runs here, and I can't get over that with the mower. And it looks like it's humped on that left side, so I got my grading bucket on it, on the Mini here. And it looks like I can probably pull some dirt, scrape it level and fill this in. I mean, that's a pretty big hole right here. I don't know if there's enough dirt here. If not, I'm gonna have to go dig dirt from somewhere else and try to level this off so I can mow this, because we had a really crappy line here. If you can see where the grass is cut and where it wasn't, it was kind of like on an angle like that. So because I wanted a straight line with the walnut trees, I cut the edge of the field straight, so now it's going to be a straight line, and it uncovered this ditch. So I've got to fix this so we can have a nice mowed area all the way down. All right, let's get to work on this. All right, what do you think? Got rid of that ditch. I know it's hard to tell on camera, but it was pretty deep. Now, right there, I ran out of dirt. So right there, there's still a little, there's like a hole there, like a bird bath right here. I didn't have any more dirt to push all the way up to here unless I go get it from somewhere else. But we're gonna let that go because I think the mowers. I mean, yeah, I wish I had a couple more loads right there, and it would be smooth. But for not knowing what I'm doing, it doesn't look too bad. It'll smooth out in the rain. It'll level itself out. But yeah, no more ditch. We actually couldn't cut it. We had to go around. We had to go all the way around it, and that's why we only cut to here. You can see the old grass line because that ditch started there and drained and kind of leveled off as it went down the field there. But it started right here, and that's why when we cut, we started going around it. But I wanted to make a nice straight line, so I think we got it now. It'll fill itself back in. Yeah, I can't tell you like how cool it is to have one of these little suckers, man. And this is my first time using the grading bucket. So I finally got a grading bucket. This is a 30-inch grading bucket, smooth edge, and it doesn't really bite in. You could see, if you looked on the video, it wouldn't dig in and pull. I had to scrape. It's basically just for grading or picking up stone or something like that, not really for digging. If I had my digging tooth in, oh man, it would have went right into that ground. But this grading bucket was better for just pulling that dirt smooth towards me, making it nice and level. And it's nice that it's 30 inches wide. So I don't know, get you one of these little minis if you got a property. Forget the boats, forget the motorcycles, forget the fast cars. Get you some excavating equipment. This thing is funner than all that. I've had it all, and working on this for half an hour is more satisfying and fun than all that other junk. If you can, it's worth it to get one of these.